This is the Microfinance Podcast, bringing microfinance to your screen. The Microfinance Podcast is produced by MicroSave, market-led solutions for financial services, and is delivered to you by Moving Planet Films. Hello, my name is Oksana Holtman and welcome to another edition of Microfinance Podcast. We are coming close to the end of our general discussion of the lending cycle concept. Today our question is, who is considered to be a good Biashara Imara client? We would also like to share with you the client's feedback on the Biashara Imara product.
A good Biashara Imara client is the one whose character is good. Is the one who comes to the bank knowing that he's borrowing, not coming with the notion that he must get the money.
A consistent client is the one who is a very good client, the one who tells you the same thing from the start of the process to the end of the process.
We realize that most of the securities that we are taking can actually not cover for the amount we are giving out. So I can say that we can all sum it up on the character of the client.
And also a very good client is the one who is able even to at least like to have attachment with the officer. Every time they are doing the business, wherever they progress in the business, they can come and tell you that I took the money, I added the stock, and this way I managed to do this, can even see my banking, I've improved the banking. Even on the repayment date, they just come. So a good client is the one who just become consistent, who pays the loan well, who has very, very good information about the business.
The loans I've taken from Equity, this is the second loan. Those loans have helped me so much because I've improved my business. Even I've planted another one. And I even constructed another building. It was not this much here.
The Biashara Imara loan has helped me a lot because they come to look after my business when it's going on. They advise me on what to do next, and they've helped me much. That's what I can say.
They introduced Biashara Imara, which my wife go there. She have an account. She was assisted with money, and you see now the building is up. So we preach equity day and night.
It's important for us to have access to banks because like Equity Bank, it cares for small business people. Because if you go to other big banks, they don't listen to you. But Equity, guaranteed, we go there, we get small money. They give us small loans and maybe we can build ourselves and we can grow bigger.
Biashara Imara is an example of a truly market-led product. It was designed based on market research of the specific micro and small entrepreneurs. The client focus means success for the borrowers who are able to grow their businesses and achieve their financial aspirations. Biashara Imara also means success for the bank because the product performs well and reaches a large client base.
Given the economic growth of this country and the huge role that is played by the informal sector, I see Biashara Imara will be a key product in Equity Bank. Its success will depend on the ability to understand and analyze micro and small businesses.
With this, we conclude our general discussion of the lending cycle concept. We hope very much to hear your feedback and to get your ideas and your suggestions on our future topics. In our next episode, we'll move back to Bangladesh. Our guest speaker, Sayed Hashimi, a senior microfinance specialist of CGAP, the consultative group to assist the poor, will talk about an extremely interesting and effective model that allows the poorest to graduate out of poverty. Stay tuned and see you next week.